Hello everybody, it's Harry here from West South Africa, and today we take a look at the HSS 6000 Plus from West South Africa. Now the HSS 6000 Plus form part of our HSS range, and this is a high performance lubricating oil for extreme speeds with outstanding lubricating properties due to boron nitrate additive. It also got the Cobra head, so you got a fine mist spray or a directional nozzle like this. And boron nitrate was added to this to make it food safe. Now you might ask, what does boron nitrate do? Boron nitrate helps this product when it comes to extreme heat. So when the temperature goes above 180 degrees, HSS 6000 Plus becomes a dry lubricant up to 1000 degrees Celsius. It's also free from microplastics. And to demonstrate quickly to you, you can see how, although you spray it here, it runs into the smallest crevices where the lubrication is needed. So when I give it heat, you can see the product doesn't disappear. If you look a bit closer here, you can clearly see that the product is still there and the lubrication still remains intact even after the heat of this extreme little micro torch. So this can be used in Bowden cables, bearings, chains, wherever there is high speed as well as lubricating needed. HSS 6000 is the one for you. Thank you.